Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo X in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 56,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number 90109A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.